Today we are making refreshing mango panna cotta. First, soak gelatin in ice water and let it hydrate for about 10 minutes. Set aside. Meanwhile, add milk in the pan. We're gonna add lemon peel today. It adds a slight fruity note. And also add vanilla beans. Lemon and vanilla match so well with mango flavor. Heat it up. Soon you'll see a lot of steam coming up like that. Then remove from heat. You do not need to boil it. And add sugar. And mix until it is completely dissolved. And add gelatin. Gelatin sometimes loses its strength when it is mixed with extremely hot liquids, so that is why I added sugar first and let the temperature go down a little bit before adding gelatin. Make sure it is completely melted, that is very important. Now we add cold heavy cream over mixing. By adding cold cream in the end, the base cools down and you can shorten the chilling time. And today, with the ice water I used for gelatin earlier, I let it cool a little bit more to shorten the chilling time even more. Alright, the base is ready. Now set aside for mango panna cotta and pour the rest in glasses. Today I'm using 10-ounce glasses, but you can also use smaller ones. And chill in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours until it's set completely. Set aside nice ones for topping and use the rest for puree. In mango, add sugar and lemon juice and puree them. To make smooth mango panna cotta, it is very important to puree very finely until it looks nice and smooth. Now combine puree and the same amount of panna cotta base that we set aside earlier and mix really well. If you find it getting hardened by the time you pour, you can heat up in a microwave a little bit to loosen it up. The vanilla panna cotta will be hard enough to pour on top in about 1 to 2 hours. And now move it back to the fridge and chill it completely. To make mango topping, simply mix the fresh mango and mango puree. The puree adds glossy look and melty texture. finish with fresh mint as you like. It is also delicious with drizzle of honey on top. You can also try this recipe with other fruits and enjoy mini versions. Here is how the panna cotta look like without mango topping. It is very smooth and creamy and not overly sweet at all and really refreshing. That's it for today. Thank you for stopping by. If you made this at home, please let me know and how you enjoyed it. Enjoy pastry living and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.